Hey, what up, YouTube? How you live? How you living? It's your boy, the Stock Dude, back on the prowl again. In this video, I got two bangers for you that I believe are two rockets about ready to take off. These two bangers are coming straight from my watch list, and I think you need to pay attention to them and keep your eyeballs peeled, because I believe these two rockets are primed and poised and ready for takeoff. The first one goes by the name of Sibanye Stillwater Limited, ticker symbol SBSW, and it comes at a price of $14.36 per share. Now, Sibanye Stillwater Limited operates as a precious metals mining company in South Africa, the United States, Zimbabwe, Canada, and also in Argentina. Now, the company produces gold, platinum group metals, including palladium, platinum, and rhodium, and byproducts such as iridium, ruthenium, nickel, copper, and chrome. Sibanye Stillwater Limited is a highly rated silver, gold, platinum, and precious metals mining company. #1 rated stock by none other than Zacks.com. Now, this is a grade A value stock, which means that people who are a lot smarter than I am and a lot smarter than you are believe that this stock is too cheap and is ready to be bought and ride the wave higher. Let us go to a Z chart. Now, right off the bat, first thing I noticed with Sibanye Stillwater Limited, ticker symbol SBSW, is the volume is twice as high as normal. Average volume is 2.86 million, but on Friday they traded 5.5 million plus, and we had a gap up in the price gapped up over 8%, up $1.07 per share. Now, as always, I would recommend that you guys wait for a pullback, because on Friday this stock gapped up pretty good, went up over 8%, and normally when stocks go up that high at once, they coming back down. So this one right here, you don't want to rush into it. Now, looking at this chart, doing a little technical analysis, I would suggest to you guys to try to wait for a pullback, and if you can, get into this stock right around the $14 support level, which seems to be pretty strong. So when stocks gap up like that, they tend to be sold off, and a price that's cheaper normally is right around the corner. Once again, this is a grade A value stock, and it also has a $24 price target. So if you get in at that $14 or cheaper level, you can ride this thing from $14 on up to $24 per share. Looking at this chart, it's getting to the point where it's about to break out from this downtrend that it's been in all the way dating back to June the 2nd. It traded as high as $20.41, and since then has slowly traded lower. But with this heavy volume coming in this consolidation area, and then with the second gap up, because it gapped up one time before on the 7th of October, and here we are again with the second gap up. Anytime you have a stock that gaps up twice, trust that it won't be the last time that higher prices are right around the corner. Now, as far as this stock is concerned, one thing that I can tell you right away that I like, that I see, this stock right here pays an 11.6% dividend payment. I'm going to say it again. The dividend on this stock is 11.6% annually. Dividend payment. That is wonderful. So once again, wait for a pullback. hopefully under that $14 support level. Now with this stock right here, anytime that you want to preserve your wealth, anytime you want to hold on to the money that you have, see, sometimes it's not all about making more money. Sometimes the market throws you a curveball and you need to find a way to preserve. In other words, to keep the amount of money that you have. And silver, gold, and platinum and precious metals have been around for thousands of years. The dollar bill may be going down in value, but if you want to hold on to what you got, can't go wrong with investing in silver, gold, platinum, and precious metals. Because like I said, sometimes it's not always about increasing your wealth. Sometimes you just want to hold on tight to the little bit of money that you have. The second stock on the list goes by the name of Regis Corporation, ticker symbol RGS, and it's coming in at a price of only $3.08 per share. Now I'm going to read you a little bit about the description of Regis Corporation. It says that Regis Corporation owns, operates, and franchises hairstyling and hair care salons in the United States, in the United Kingdom, Canada, and also Puerto Rico. The company operates in two segments: franchise salons and company-owned salons. Its salons provide hair cutting and styling, including shampooing and conditioning, hair coloring, and other services, as well as sells various hair care and other beauty products. Now, let me tell you something. One thing I know for a fact, beauty salons, hair salons, beauty shops, they've been around for years and years, and I don't believe they're going anywhere. As long as women and ladies and young ladies have hair on their heads, unlike me, but as long as they have hair on their heads, beauty shops and beauty salons, they gonna continue to rein in dollar bills, y'all. So hair care salons ain't going anywhere. So let us go to the chart. Once again, Regis Corporation, ticker symbol RGS, comes in at a price of only $3.08 per share. First thing I notice right away, like I always do, I go to the bottom of the screen. I see the average volume is 1.8 million shares bought and sold during any particular trading day. That's the average. But the volume on Friday, 8.4 million shares bought and or sold. And I also noticed that this stock has a very high short interest float, which means that a lot of people are betting against this stock going higher. People are placing money on this stock trying to force the price down. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing, because if they're wrong and the short sellers are forced to cover, this right here can be a rocket waiting to take off. Reason being, the only way for a short seller to stop losing money is to also buy shares of the stock to close out their short positions. So think about it. Just think for 1 second. If people on one side are buying, hoping the stock goes higher, you got over 21% short interest in this stock that are trying to push the price lower. If they're wrong, then guess what? The ones that wanted to go higher are buying, and the ones who also shorten the stock trying to get out of their losing position, they're going to be buying right next to you. Now, what you think going to happen to the price if two groups of people are buying at the same time? It's going to be a rocket waiting to take off. So this right here has a whole lot of bullish activity that's coming into this stock. As of October the 6th is when it started. They're coming in this stock heavy. And if you look at it right here on the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, it's at a 24.5. Anything under 30 on the RSI means the stock is oversold, which means the price is too cheap and is just itching to go higher. So if I were you, which I am not, because I am not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on YouTube, but if I were you, I would keep my eye on Regis Corporation, because I ain't telling you what I think. I ain't telling you what I heard. I'm telling you what I know. I've seen this chart pattern before, and I would bet you that in the near future, Regis Corporation will not be trading near $3. I believe the price is going higher. So if you're looking for something that you can invest in a turbulent market that's recession proof, that you think you can put in your portfolio and just leave for a while, I would take a look at Regis Corporation. Matter of fact, I would keep both eyes on it. I'm the one known as a stock dude. Hope you enjoyed the video. Holler at your boy later. Peace.